Kits Crows. Bye.
Bye.
See? Ugh. It's so bright. Oof. I gotta do my laundry today too. Hey, there's a crow. What are you doing over there? I wonder if you're looking for me. I gotta lock up. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Hey. Oh, don't go. Okay. Well, I was going to give it a treat. Oh, hey. There you are. I was hoping someone would show up. Good morning. Okay, let's put your treat right here. There we go. Okay, get out of the way, there's a car coming. Oh, hello. It's right in front of me. Okay, I'll see you later. Yeah. I gotta go to work. Bye bye. Let's see. I see just 3 chickens right now. Yeah. There's some starlings that just arrived. Oh, leaving. Okay. It's you. Oh, it's kind of loud. Well, I'm gonna leave a little treat because there's a few around. One down on the ground. Leave a little something. That one's got some grass. Oh, where'd it go? Are you watching? I left treats. I bet it's thinking about it. Did you see it? Yeah. Yeah, they're kind of smart. Oh, some friends to join maybe? Yep. Went right over. Yeah. Oh, there's the crows. I knew I heard something. Hi guys. Okay, leave your treat right here. There. Alright. You must be hungry. Haven't seen you in a couple days. Yeah. Sorry about that. I got treats for you now. See you later. Oh, there's the third one. Oh, rocks, don't fall down. Got my laundry. It's going to throw me off balance. Hey, did you see the pile? Here, I'll leave another one. There's a little one. I see those two got it. Here, one for you and starlings if they want to join. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah. Look at all these happy guys. See you later. Who's that? They're making noise. Cheering. Hey. Oh yeah, making sure I don't miss you. Good morning. I got treats for you. So I'm gonna put them over here. I hear the starlings already. There. Okay. I left a treat for you. Oh yeah. Little hops. Oh. Yeah. I'll see you later. Everyone's so eager today. They must have missed me. Oh, look at all these starlings waiting. I hear more. They're up there. Oh, Karen's building a new fence. Neat. Oh, hey, you guys. You need treats? Okay, 1 second. They're coming over. Okay, I'll put it right here. This is a good spot. It's quite a lot for you. Alright, you're just about there. There you go. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm going home on my lunch break now. I gotta do the closing shift. I didn't realize all this walking to work, I was huffing and puffing. I didn't realize how much my lungs hurt because I've been throwing up like the last couple days pretty hard. So, yeah. Breathing hurts right now. The bottom of my lungs are just aching. Wonder where my crows are. Anyway, I'll be back out in a while. I'm gonna eat some ramen. I haven't had proper food in a few days. It's bagels and crackers. So, yeah. Just gonna get some lunch. Oh, hey! Look at these crows over here. Hey, you guys! What's up? You guys want some treats? I was heading home. Okay. I'm gonna put something right here. A little more. There you go. I left you something. Oh, I'm stepping on stuff. I don't want to trip. There you go. You're so cute. Yeah. There we go. Couple happy friends. See you later. Oh, hey, doggy. Hey, it's Nova and Lucy. Hi. I never see one. Oh, at this fence. There's those chickens. They go in. Oh, I see one that just popped out. There's a chicken. I hear sparrows around. Alright, I'm gonna head home on my lunch break. What was that? Oh, oh, there you are. Hi. You need a treat, huh? Oh, oh, I'm getting it. 1 second. Oh my gosh. Where are you going? Hey, don't go too far. I'm putting your treat right. Are you watching? Where are you going? Okay. We're both gone. Alright. Well, maybe they'll catch up. I don't know. Oh, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty. There's a couple of kitties. Hi, kitty. Oh, you're so cute. And we got this kitty. Oh, that's gotta be a Velcro. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty. Oh, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, I bent down so I could pet you. Come here. Kitty, kitty. Kitty. Well, at least you're not a stray. You both got collars. They're probably both the neighbor's cats. I know that's Velcro right there. Oh. Kitty, kitty. Are you gonna let me pet you? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, Velcro. Hi, sweet kitty. Oh, you silly thing. Okay. No pets. Bye-bye. Alright, time for lunch. Bye-bye. Right. Bye-bye. No kitties. I gotta go back to work. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nuts. There's like 2 chickens out. There's a couple of crows over that way, but I don't want to cross the street. I have to go to work. Maybe they'll come over here. Oh yeah, there you are. I was hoping. The other one's up there on top of the pole. Okay. Well, I'll put your treat right here. This seems like an okay spot. Nothing to bother you. Alright, there you go. I hope they saw that. If they didn't, they're just gonna follow me. But I gotta go. Ugh, right. Hey. We got it. Yay. I can't see where the other one went. Doesn't matter. Someone got it. Hey, there's a little guy over there behind the tree. And I think there's one in the bush. What you doing? I got treats for you if you like. It's a good spot. We're at the stump. So, I hope they get that. Leave a nice little pile. Oh, he's running. Hey guys. Yeah. Look at this little guy. Well, I guess I should have left a little more. Oh well. Boy, I can't see this. I got glare on my screen. Well, I gotta get to work, guys. I'll see you later. Hey. So, we're gonna go clean out the lint trap. So, yeah, I'm at work doing my closing shift, bumbling around clearly. I'm feeling better now that I'm not like walking around a lot. Just chilling out here. Let's see, where can I put you? Right here. I know I've shown this before, but what the heck? Can you see it well though? Here. I have you on top of a washer. Yeah, you can see in there. So, this is a week's worth of lint. Because I'm the only one who cleans it. Everyone else forgets. Knock down as much as you can. On the top of this. See a bunch of there. Yeah, I like working Fridays, and so far it's been really, really slow. I hope it stays that way because I'm just not in the mood. Just pop this back on. There's a chunk. Came right out. Okay. So, oh, let me grab you better. There. So now our lint trap is clean. Let's see. That's how much I got. It's quite a bit. All right. Just put in the trash there. So yeah, I got, what was it? It's 2:40. I'm here till 5:30, but I don't really get out till like 6. Yeah, because I gotta close. Oh, just putting the broom away. Anyway, yeah, I just gotta entertain myself. Maybe I'll break into some snacks in a minute. There we go. So I'm just hanging out in the shop now, and there we go. I got a Snapple apple. It's just fun to say, Snapple apple. I just need something easy on my stomach, just because I'm just feeling exhausted. I wasn't sick. Sorry, I'm looking at traffic. I wasn't sick, but it made me, I don't know, just feel off. Yeah, I like that. And I got these crackers at the Dollar Tree. There's a big box of like 6 packs. They're cream cheese and green onions. So it's basically like sour cream onion flavor. And they're pretty nice. So I've been eating those the last couple of days. I'm down to like my last couple packages. I didn't know they come in so handy. I didn't expect a freaking killer migraine. Now I can't talk, but they're good. So I got a few more hours just to kill in the shop. And I'm just going to eat my snacks and drink my Snapple. Snapple apple. So anyway, I don't know if I'll see any birds on my way home. We'll see. Okay, ooh, sun's behind me. Sun's setting. I'm off work now. It was an easy day, but it was annoying at the end because someone showed up just as I locked up and shut everything down. Of course. So that complicated things a little bit. But whatever, I'm done. I can go home. It's the weekend now. So, yay. Is that Lucy? Hi, Lucy. I see you. Where's Nova? Pop up on the fence. There you are. Hi, Nova. Hi. Funny dogs. Oh, hi. Where are you going? You found me. Hi there. Well, one second. I'm getting your treats. Okay. There we go. Yum. Woo. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. No friends? Just you? Alright. I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh. Hi. Are you a different one? Or are you the one I just fed? Well, I'll give you another little treat, okay? One second. Okay. There. That should do ya. Yeah. Little happy bounces. Hopping. Very cute. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, they'll be back. Oh, there's a friend. Oh, it's on the house. There it is. Alright. So there are a couple. I see Remington. Oh, and there's Hagrid. What? What are they doing? What are you guys doing? I don't know. I see ya. You being good? Hi, Hagrid. They're such good boys. Hi. Hi, Remington. I'm going home. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. I'll see you later.